How to make yogurt and honey mask for hair. Mix 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl to form a smooth paste. Now, apply this mixture from the roots to the tips of your hair. Ensure that your hair is entirely covered. Then, leave the yogurt-honey mixture on for about 30 minutes. Next, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For best results, you can repeat this up to 2 times a week. Bonus tips. If you have dry hair, add a banana to this mask, and for greasy hair, add strawberries. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.